Okay. Coding again, finally. Taking a bit of a break from Silk Song. I wanted to work on this. Okay. Last time I worked on this, it was like the stupid thing where it was, um, I was testing it and then it would like download like a song and it would keep downloading them, and then YouTube would kind of just be like, oh, nope, no more, can't do that anymore. And that kind of annoyed me. Uh, so I'm just gonna be cutting that part out of the process. Um, Story. The whole B track is just gonna be stored locally. Mm, okay. So that means there's gotta be a folder where song files are kept. There has to be a file where all of the info for the songs is kept, like the song name and like here, what's yeah, video ID, which I guess could just be part of the file name. I don't know. Uh, Title, thumbnail's got to be kept somewhere. Um, what else? Yeah, keeps. So it'll have the, I guess the ID, title. Yeah. Um, I guess duration. Okay. Oh, nope. Um, and then there's got to be like some sort of tool to the tool. So ideally, there'd be this tool, and feed you feed it the playlist URL, and um, playlist URL, song directory, thumbnail directory, and data file. All right, give it all these things, and then right, so for the update part, that would be like if you added like a song to a playlist that wasn't that's not already stored locally, um, it would then pull down everything for that, and it would also check if any songs have been removed from the playlist and make sure to remove them. YAML? No, this is Markdown. Yeah. And I just say remote for like YouTube. Does it hurt to be more explicit? I don't want to save this. Alright. Yeah. So basically just this stuff is what I want to work on. Where do I want to start? I mean, probably just with getting this working. And then the tool would just kind of reference all that. And this can build on what's already there. Kind of. I guess that's more of this part, because I'm thinking for like, getting the song info, that already happens. It's just, it's not actually kept. It gets thrown away. I call it here. Yeah, it should be fine. Where do I want to start with this? Track entry, and then the track data going to be a dictionary of ID, title, We're just gonna keep this all pretty basic. Um, oh, thumbnail. Yeah. Um, yeah. Actually, I think I'll frame this as ID to. Like file path. Thank you, F1 key. I actually want the one right next to you. Hmm. There's all that. Hmm. Is IO just for type hints, or does that work with? I think it should work with his instance. Right. Actually, I should probably. Yeah, it's not. Okay. That's why you check. I could just do string and then. Eh, that's weak. I don't need to do that. Can I do... Oh yeah, just, I'm just loading it. There we go. And then... something similar down here. Actually, should do... this just to make sure there's no errors here in converting stuff to JSON, because when you open this up it kind of nukes everything in there, and then if you get an error, it's just an empty file, so that's kind of lame. That's better to do that. And then dump, not even dump at that point, it just be f.write. Yeah, this one is already... Actually, I guess down here I can do that, and then since this one's already open, kind of just makes more sense to use dump. Yeah. Now I have to fill that out. What is this gonna be? ID to data. Okay, that shouldn't be too hard. I keep doing key. ID and key. Okay, and then k equals d. There we go. I should get all that info together, and then you kind of just have to do the opposite. Actually, I'll just make it, yeah. AD in actually, I forgot. No. I have to do it like this. Okay. So that's loading and saving the data file. I feel like I could just put the stuff for the tool in here as well, and then have like a just have this part. Okay. Jump down to main because I forget kind of how to set this up. Use to manage OB track for song queue plugin. Yeah. There we go. Hmm. Playlist URL. Hmm. How do you do sound? Alright. And then works. So if I do addition, hmm, um, there we go. Plugins is not a package. Ain't that great. Guess I could do it the normal way. Okay. Right, and then just to test. I didn't save. Um, did I? Oh, because that was. So I guess it. Wow. How do I set the? Is it this one? I don't know. Okay. Mm, was it? Supplied twice. No. Yeah. Oh, I guess you don't. Okay. Weird. At that point, I might as well just fucking. Might as well just do that. Yeah. Whatever. Alright. think I'm gonna move this. I'll keep it there. Hmm. Okay. It, this info is pretty broad. Get what I want. Title. Make it more YouTube. ID. Ugh. See if this has a description of, yeah, that actually downloading them. Yep. So, assuming that's an actual playlist, which I could check. Yep. That playlist print. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So then I can just use that to grab thumbnail. Well, instead of the, I guess the thumbnail isn't available for flat playlist. Isn't there like a skip download option? Yeah. It's instead of flat playlist, what if I do skip download? It's a bit slower, but it does get off the Now, so they do follow a pattern. Um, YouTube Okay. Then I should just be able to use that. Oh, thumbnail name. Um, do. What size is this downloading at? I don't have any. Um, hmm. Oh, I just wasn't looking at chat. Hello. The fuck? What emote is that? Oh, punch trees, of course, the Twitch emote. Yeah, I'm like top of the charts, buddy. Um, you want what? Oh, of course, WSL. That's cool. That's great. Why? Why would it? Uh, all right. Yeah, super pogger. What is? I feel like that's a thing. Here, let me. Well, there you go. Oh, that's something. And then the rest are normal. Yep, it's a thing. Uh, all right. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was. Hmm. It looks like those ones. So this one should normally exist. Therefore, I should use this one since it looks like this one will always exist. Um, doing my college work? No, I'm doing TwitchBot work. Um, this is for fun. I wish this was my college work. Then, like, I feel like my classes would be more fulfilling. Um, Alright, so what? I just need the ID and the title. Yeah. So from here, I guess import multi-processing load or fetch info. Right. Oh. Hmm. What was the oh, yeah. Oh no, it was subprocess. Is that still, yeah. Run. Which one is, yeah. YTDLP. And then that playlist. I don't get the fun of coding. You're just doing math and functions, so it's sustainable. It's cool, but it's very unrewarding if you're used to it, or the thing you're coding is a small thing that took ages. Well, see, I like it's not like I'm just doing it for like the end result. I'm doing it for the process. I like the process. Even if it seems like I'm bashing my head in a wall, I still like it. Um, I mean the result's cool too, but it's kind of like running a marathon only for the trophy or something. Like there's more to it. There's the training and then the actual running the marathon. Um, who is that? Oh, this guy. I think he sent me one of his videos before. Yeah, he did the planetary gravity. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that guy's pretty cool. Oh, you followed. Are my fucking alerts not working? Stupid fucking thing. Whatever. Or maybe I just tuned it out. I don't know. I am a bit tired. Oh, go away. What was I looking at? Um, oh, print and then just yeah. I just want the ID and the title. Set. And looks like I need an S prefix. Oh my god. I wouldn't want to do that. Rewrote Super Mario 64. That's a lot of work. title and duration. Got a bit of Lua, interesting, but you like to see results. Yeah, depending on what you're working with coding, like, yeah, results can be pretty far away. Also depends on how you actually approach it. If you're working on it in a way where you can like check in every now and then to see like if it works, and like, but I kind of just prefer doing it all out all at once, and then um making it all work completely. Um Print, and then I guess yeah, all right. And then what is that return? A process dot. Hmm. Guess I can just do p, and then p dot standard out. Split by new lines, if not lines, and this should return dictionary string. Or I guess it would just turn list of tuples. Yeah. Okay, on Roblox, yeah. I haven't really looked too much at Roblox Studio or anything like that. Um, doesn't exactly interest me all that much. Like I could just do, if I wanted to do like game stuff, I could just do it in Unity or something. Oops. Gotta love picking up my mic. Um, Coding websites really fun. Barely scratch the surface on the cool shit you could do, like ARG stuff. Oh yeah, coding blocks. Those are fine. I mean, I know someone's working on like a block-based language that is like an assembly language, which is, or like it goes like straight down to machine code at least, which is interesting. Um, because what Scratch is just JavaScript. Um, I don't know what um what did I even look up for this? Well, let me do this. Blueprints. scripting. Oh, Google. Whatever. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's still, um, yeah, it's still C++. plus plus. Yeah, it's in assembly. Or it's like kind of like a replacement for it, but it's blocks. Kind of nuts. I haven't checked in on that in a while. I'll have to look back in on that guy. I forget his name. Yeah. I guess I could just if lines. Like that's stupid. Um Really I should be doing this. If not lines, turn that, and then I can do this. Um Tuple e dot split by tab for e in lines. I guess e is kind of stupid. I could do line. What? What? Huh? What? Hmm. Next song info. Yeah, that looks good. What's being whatted? Um. Hmm. Oh, deleted chat message. Oh, yeah, that was just a bot. So I nuked it. Gonzo. Yeah, bots fear me. They won't know what hit them. Uh, what do I want? What am I doing next? I have all the song info. Um, oh yeah, now I need to check it against. Um, Honestly, this would probably be better as a set, and then I can easier I can do shit more easily with it. Remaking SMW on Godot. Godot. You know it's called Godot and not Godot. Isn't that awesome? Godot. I mean that's cool. I don't know. I've never really been a fan of Mario all that much. Like at least like actually playing the games. Um, I don't know. Which one did I play? I had one of them on my 3DS. Um, I forget which one, but I had one of them, and that was pretty fun. But I wouldn't play it too often. Oh yeah, if you enter like +1 and +2 in the chat, it updates my little vibe. You could also do -1 and -2. Like, no, why would you do that? What is it? Is it 8? No, 7. Yeah, there. No, +10 doesn't work. It has to be 1 or 2. Silly goose. That's too much. There we go. Oh wait, that's so funny. It saw +10, but then it only saw the one part. Um, yeah, that's cool. I like that. That's a feature. Because +10 starts with +1. Yeah. You have a bucket of water with 1 liter and a bucket of water with 2 liters. How many buckets do you have? What was I doing? Oh yeah. Uh, I gotta check. I gotta check. -1 bucket? No, it's 2 buckets. Big stretch. All right. So I have the remote song info, and I have local song info. Um, I have my. Yeah, I could do pair song info. Hmm. here's song info. Yeah. All right. So for this part, I gotta take this. I gotta turn it into a set. Okay, go listen to music. Hmm. Ah, I forgot to, whatever. It's fine. Okay, so L. So the intersection is the stuff they already have. Um, I want, so new is remote info minus L, and then to remove is L minus remote info. Right? Get rid of the stuff they have in common. That should work. A equals 1, 2, 3. B equals 3, 4, 5. A minus B is 1 and 2. And B minus A is 4, 5. Aren't sets so useful? Hmm. And then just compare song info to new and then removed. Does this really not know what it returns? Oh, because I haven't passed the variables in yet. Okay. Technically, um, what? It's not just for the IDs. Like, new could contain, like if the title or somehow the duration changed, So I do have to go and check if it's actually new or if it's just a modification. Uh, though if it is a modification, then hmm, and that would mean it would also be in removed. So I kind of have to check twice for that. The first time I check for it, I actually do something about it. First time I check for it being in, like when I check all of the ones in new, and then the second time when I check in removed, I just ignore it. Okay. For ID, title, duration in new. Thumbnail is, I think I decided on this one. Even if I do this, it's not exactly future proof this way, but I'm not too pressed over that. I'll replace that. Right, HQ res, or HQ default. And then instead of this, it should be the ID here. Okay, get the thumbnail, and then, guess I make the entry ID title. Title should be last. And this only needs to split, just in case there's a tab in the title. Only needs to split twice. Right, and that's the number of times to split. Yeah, because in other things it's the number of elements you want. So it'd be number of times to split plus 1, which is a little silly. Duration, put that directly in there. And the song path, okay, I do have to check if ID in local song info, else then entry equals Actually, that's not right. I have to fetch it from there. So I'll need requests, EQR, S. Not new info or removed info. Hmm. Then I want to make sure the directories exist. Most path exists, or PQR. Not exists is dir. Um, I'll just do that if there's multiple. Like if its immediate parent doesn't exist, I'm not gonna put in the effort of. I don't think it's reasonable to try and make like everything that's missing. So yeah, just make dir. Um, uh, thank you, F11. Thumbnail dir. Alright. Hmm. Oh yeah. Issue with load file. There we go. Hmm. I guess shouldn't it be the other way around? Or I could do this and then that. Oh, exit 0. Print. Um. Hmm. Part of me just wants to make a list like that, and then it'll be tuple, I guess list of tuple. String. Equals id dot jpeg thumbnail file and thumbnail URL. That looks good. Just as a little at the end for file name, URL, and thumbnail download queue. It URL stream equals true. Does this give me a 200? I'll try it with the URL it gives here. I might have to change my user agent depending on if YouTube likes Python or not. $200? Was it content? Yeah. Okay, that worked. Nice. I guess I don't technically have to stream it, but Python request stream equals true. Okay. Yeah, it was this one. Chunk size 1024. Four chunk in this. If no, okay. Continue. Or I guess print failed to download. Um. There we go. Failed to download. Thumbnail for song. At URL to phone name. Can't I just write? No, I didn't. I thought that said write it or something. I don't know how I read that. That's lines. Hmm. All right. Oh. So that's that part, and then I'm also gonna have to do for ID duration title and removed info. And again, So if every one of them that's changed and not actually new were removed, um, they all should appear twice, then I should be able to keep um, this. Right, otherwise, um, and I'm making sure this has the paths here because ideally you just go in the config file and point to the path for this data file, and then it would have everything it needs. Um, there we go. Just do it right from the start. Um, thumbnail URL, the thumbnail, yeah, thumbnail file. Guess that also needs no, the songs will be downloaded. Songs will be downloaded differently. Cause what is it over here? And then that directory will just get passed in here. Um, and then I'll just have to. I mean, for that would be for like. Hmm. Guess if local song info. And then bump everything in. Well, except this part. Part stays out. Right. Otherwise, gotta just get it all. Get down. What was I doing? Whatever. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Might have been for the thumbnail, but I didn't need a function. else you gotta download all of them. Do hmm. I guess for remove, you only really need the ID. Um, can I feel like I should be able to do this. Yeah. Okay. Entry, local song info ID. This should never give a key error because the ID from there comes from this here, which has to have the IDs from here. So it can only, and this only like removes, it doesn't add any new IDs. So that should never give a key error, meaning I don't have to check unless something fatally wrong happens somehow, and I don't know. Um, like if I were to add, no, I don't know. That'd be weird. I guess I could. No. New entries. I'll do it like this. I guess I could just directly. Like new entries can go up here. And then local song info update with the new entries. So this should be a track data and then save data file. There we go. Got that. Don't really need that anymore. So this would be what, for ID duration and title and new info. Immediately do this part. No need to check. Oh. Hmm. I don't know what format best audio is gonna end up being. I guess it kinda doesn't matter. I can just song file path join songdir ID, because I can just tell it um I can just tell it to drop the um drop the extension, and it'll actually listen since it's not merging video and audio. Okay. Tree, and then buzz path is file dot thumbnail path, and there we go. And then I'll just yeah. I could just do pop. That would make more sense. And then when you do that and then update, and then technically it would still work if I didn't do this check if it's an update and not an actual um addition or removal. Cause what it would delete it, but then a new one would be there in new entries, and then it would get added back anyway. But with the added overhead of having to download the thumbnail and song again. Which maybe that should happen. Maybe. Hmm. I guess. I guess it should happen. Because what? Title, probably not, but if somehow the duration changes, then. Yeah. I don't know how much you can update a YouTube video after it's been uploaded. Um. How much can you change a YouTube video after uploading? Okay. So yeah, I guess um just comment that out. And then that'll just work through all the same. Um Alright. We do yeah, multiple instances. Oh well. Um and then just for this one, there will be a song download queue. And that'll be a list of tuple string. It'll be pretty similar. File, and then I guess ID. Okay, so I will need the song file. I could make the youtube.com/watch be equals ID. Alright, and then down here for file path, and song download queue, over in song queuing, I guess. Yeah, get song. Where's yeah, I want it in that format. I don't know why I do p open there. Whatever. Download song, URL. This will just be for individual songs. I can do this generator style. That'll be pretty fun. Download song p equals process.p open. We'll need itdlp. Where do I have the actual song download? Yeah, that gets the count. Ignore errors, F, best audio. URL file. Can mostly just do that. What? Where? Wow. Eh. I can just return P. And if I want to do anything with that. For some reason I was thinking I'd have to do more. But it kind of just does its thing. I don't need the output or anything from it. Yeah, I've ignored. Set for P's is I don't know if it's the best idea to do a bunch of them all at once. If actually, yeah. And then download all should just be what is it? Paths. Can I do -O with yeah. It's an ID. I have to make this not awful. And for this one I can just do subprocess run. I guess I could also do run for whatever. It's fine. Capture output true. There it is. Run. I don't need to specify audio format. What is -x? Um, I don't really think that's necessary. F mesh case. Oh. And I need a -o. And it'll just be %ID. Okay. I guess I don't want to do that immediately. Or maybe it doesn't really matter. Alright. That should be all that. Let me make a test speech. Track T S and yeah. So the playlist, which should be that, and then in quotes, song directory, the thumbnail directory, and the data file. Fingers crossed. Take two. What do you mean? Okay, I'll just deal with it as bytes. It's fine. Or, I guess I could print standard out, see what it's actually. Yeah. So what byte is it complaining about? Position 5460. 5450 to 5470. Let's get a look at like those 20 bytes there. It's 20 bytes. Are you sure? I didn't save it. X92. Not test, text. Uh, why? 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 Why would they do that? Oh, hello. It's going it was going splendid until um stupid fucking bites. So where is it? So there's this like I'm getting like an error for UTF-8 can't decode byte hex 92, right? Turns out that's just like a that's for specifically like Windows, like a Windows like right single quotation mark. My mouse is so crisp. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my like screen resolution is yeah, it's 2160p, and then I have it at like 125% zoom, so everything's a bit tiny. What does it look like? I don't know. Anyway, uh, yeah, but this is like Windows. But then if there's Windows, then there's probably also a version of this issue for like Mac or something, like Apple. And I'm just that makes me hurt. What am I doing over here for that? And I get the title. Show P out info. Decode I'm just what? Okay. Yeah. Oh, but in general what I'm doing, I guess I didn't explain that, is I'm making it so that like the B track for the song queue for my bot, instead of repeatedly over and over just downloading the songs, um, it'll store them all locally. Just download them once, and then the only songs that get downloaded over and over are the actual requests. Oh yeah. Now you're here. What was it? Yeah. You can do all those sounds with what command? I think it's just sound. Yeah, the usage is kind of fucked. Um, uh, play that one. Play that one. Play it. Actually, here, let me.
I don't know about you, but I'm nutting.
Yeah, that's cool. Check Discord. Dude. Yep, that's totally that is pretty disrespectful. I can't believe you sent that in my chat. That's crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to fine you or something, like 25 bucks. 'Bother detect. Yeah, right now it's commands, but ideally these would be like redeems or something. And then I can just keep the commands for like moderators or whatever. 13. Wait. I think wait. Hold on. Wait. $17. Boom. I'm winning. Oh yeah, if you wanna test these or like test stuff, that'd be awesome. Yeah. Um I mean it's all open. If you even wanna like write like a plugin for this, that's like all cool. Yeah, so there should be pretty thorough instructions in the README. Um get out. I guess I wanted this one. Um Eventually. There we go. Yeah, the README. There should be. I don't know if it's. What are my links? What are my links? I forget. Uh, bot code. There we go. Yeah. You can go there. I don't know how much you use GitHub, and then it's the dev branch. Do I? No, because I can't do redeems, so I'd have no way of testing it. So it kind of just be like, I'd sit around for like 2 hours writing a bunch of code, and then it'd be like, well, yep, that was cool, and then I wouldn't be able to test it. Um, that actually kind of sounds funny. Maybe I should do that. But yeah, if you want to help me test, yeah, that's totally cool. All right. I don't know when I'll get to that, but yeah. Anyway, where'd that go? What happened? I've so many. Why is that behind? How? Why? Ugh. Where am I? Okay, I'm here. Got it. Back here. Oh yeah, my bytes are fucked. Okay. Hmm. I should be able to just ignore errors, right? A x92b dot decode UTF-8 and then ignore. Yeah. Oh yeah, cause couldn't you, if you wanted to like, did you have to test that in the lab, or did you just not want to, like, log in like while streaming? Oh, VPN. That's weird, cause I mean, I don't know. I guess every school has it differently, but for me, I can just SSH in. I'm not gonna show it on stream because that'll basically give away my school email. But I have it so that I can just like open up command prompt and then like GL and then I can just log in. And most of my coding work is submitted that way. Just copying files in the folders. Gotta love it. And it's kind of funny because it's a Linux server, and I I can I don't know, but like I can like poke around and like I can see that someone's been connected for like days, like weeks. It's like, wow, do you just never log out? That's kind of nuts. Back to this. I need to. There's ignore. And then over here, where is that? Where is that? Where? And then, yeah, I think that's the only output I need. Get away. Sound cybersecurity, yeah. What, why? Missing one required argument. Oh, it is. Our, sound song. Yeah, having to deal with sound stuff and then also like song stuff, and it's messing with my brain. Please work. I'm begging. Yes, it's working. One item of 157. Surely I won't get rate limited. And what was that? How many did I go? 5? Yeah. Um. Hmm. Okay, so I can't just download them all at once. I need to build some sort of system for kind of like detecting when it's getting 403s, and then it'll wait I don't know how many minutes, and then it'll pick back up and keep downloading until it, and then wait and then pick until it's done. But did it at least put stuff in here? It did. That's good. Um it didn't write to the data file though because I killed it. Um hmm. Oh yeah, really, if you're still here, how's work going? How's that? How's that all doing? Ooh, bad assignment. Is it like a lot of little tedious things or like one big awful thing? Our last 3 days trying to fix some stuff. Yeah. It's ad hoc. Okay, so I guess whenever stuff comes up, you just have to work on it. Yeah, that doesn't sound too fun. Cause like at least if it was like just one like thing, you know like what you're like working with, you'd have like some sort of goal. That's lame. I hope you get through that. Hope there's some end, some light at the end of your accounting tunnel. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Okay. Um, system for detecting when it goes kaput, and then hmm. Oh, that's so annoying. I have to think. I have to think so hard. Oh my god. Fucking. You didn't get the full info? Was that like. How does that happen? Like, were you told it wasn't the full info? Or like. What? That's just confusing. Mm. Hmm. Guess I could. Oh. E. That's lame. Uh. uh Alright, I think for this, if I. Yeah. Let me do P, and then pipe, standard air, subprocess pipe. Oh yeah, I have a physics midterm tomorrow. That's something. At 8 a.m. Um, well, I guess exam. Some people take midterm as being like in the exact middle of the term, which I don't know, but it's an exam. Yeah. I feel pretty confident for it. What is it? Yeah. This class has six of those. Six exams, and then a final. Isn't that great? Hmm. Standard error. I don't know. Hmm. If p dot standard error is not none else, I guess I could do is none else. Move that over 0. And let me do none. And then current is also this. Print last to current, and then yield. Thinking something like this, just for testing. I guess it'd be better if I did it with this one first. There we go. I think that'll show up on standard error. I guess I don't really need standard out. Yeah. And then over in download playlist, I'll just do 4 pass for now. I can do something not as ugly later. Why is that freaking out? Oh yeah, I gotta do. Alright, let's try that. Oh, it has no length. Oh, it's a reader? I thought it was okay. Then I know how to deal with that then. Ah, 403. Here, let me run it one more time. I need a better example of I need a better example of the 403 it gets. Error 403. Yeah. Is that in... I guess that's an error though. I could check both. Yeah, I won't even be using that anymore anyway. I'll have to just go through and generate all of the IDs. The song URLs from the IDs. I guess this can get pulled out as well. Hello.
What are you coding? Oh, wait, my headphones in.
The B-track stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got back from our comp sci class.
How'd that go?
Pretty good. We learned about stuff I already knew, like true and false, and what is it? And an or. And I don't know how it doesn't click for people, but people just are like, wait, two things have to be right?
I don't know.
And then he was talking about short circuiting,
Yeah.
and he's like, yeah, if it's an and thing, if it's an and statement,
If it's
and it
it'll
sees a
false.
false, and it immediately stops, and if it's or and it sees a true,
Yeah.
then it immediately stops, and people were just like, that doesn't make sense.
I don't know. Some people just don't know how to think like that yet. So
Yeah.
yeah.
And then I think he was going over if statements as well.
Yeah, it's my roommate.
Who's
He's
there?
back. Huh?
Who's talking?
Oh, I'm streaming.
I know. Who's
Oh,
in the chat?
Aurelia.
Who?
Aurelia.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hello, twin. I gotta finish my comp somewhere. Dude, look at this. Or hold on, I got to sign into the GL. But it was like such horseshit.
She says hi.
So it was the number of orbits of Earth. Let me just log back in.
Yeah, you log in. Yeah, the script like I do.
I kind of like it.
Whatever.
But it was like finding the orbit of Earth, and I was so close the entire time, and it was just the one thing I got wrong was on this.
Yeah.
You have to do, I'm pretty sure, times 1,000 at the end.
Times 1,000 for what?
Just getting like the radius
The
of the
units?
Earth, like the proper radius. It was weird, but I'll show you. Well,
Was something given to you in, like, kilometers and it asked for
Yeah.
meters? Yeah.
yeah. And that like blew over my mind, so I was stuck for like, I was like, what? I was like, why is the number wrong? This.
Yeah, all times 1,000.
Yeah, I just forgot about that,
Alright.
and I was just
You
like,
didn't notice it was 1,000 times too small?
no, it wasn't 1,000 times. It was
Oh, because
It was
don't you use
200.
that?
It was exactly 200
or-
smaller.
Okay, I guess because you use it afterwards, yeah.
Yeah, and then the only thing now I
200.
have to do is the time, which I'll just figure that out.
Orbital speed. Move. Weird.
Yeah, but it all works. At least the first, second, and fourth. I can test it. I'm not crazy, but I kept going off of this example.
Yeah.
The like 705, 800. Oh, hold on. Whoops, I got rid of that thing.
Yawn, anyways.
Sorry about that.
I'm just kidding.
705, 800. Helix 75, blah blah blah, 3, that's the right number. Then 444,
And then
that's the right
8.
number. And then boom,
Yeah.
that one's alright. And just all I have to do now is it takes how many minutes.
Well,
to
actually,
roll it.
there's a space there, and there's not a space
Yeah, how
there.
do you not do that?
Ideally, you
I
do
couldn't-
F strings instead of trying to format it with print,
Okay.
or you could do a plus. Oh no, orbits is a. So. Here, give me.
Because I always had
Have you
questions
gone
about
over
that.
F strings? I think you have.
I
I've
don't
seen it.
believe so.
But you could do that and then just. Where is it? There, and then that works. Or you could turn orbits into a string and then add the plus to it.
That I'd rather just do F strings. I recognize the I recognize that. Probably have
Okay.
double string.
Yeah. Back to horrible Python land, where I have to ignore hex 92 bytes and catch 403 errors through command line output. Forgot where I was. Oh yeah, I was moving that up, and then I can
How
move
long
this
have you been
down.
streaming?
2 hours 49 minutes. Python
So
is fun.
just
You're a
about-
hater.
Just about when I got back.
Well, it's not that Python is bad. It's that what I'm doing makes me a little angry.
It's because Goodyear overcomplicates everything.
No,
Makes
it's
sense.
because everything needs to be more complicated so that it's more robust
Is that how
and
you
works
feel
better.
smarter? Is that how you feel smarter?
Sure. Yeah, why not?
I swear to God we went over F string, but I don't want to do F string.
Okay,
just in case.
get rid of the F.
No. I'm checking.
I don't want to do F string, but I have to check.
Well, because I know if I do it, they're gonna be like, "Oh, I can take points off." Huh. Genius. Because
Whatever.
like I just have a feeling they're gonna take off points for being like, "Oh, this isn't a capital," or like in the beginning thing when you do like the file and author and date, it's like,
Yeah.
"Oh, date isn't capitalized." Point off.
They're
I
not
have
gonna
a
do
feeling-
that. They're not gonna do that.
I don't know, man.
They just want it there. I've done some like crazy formatting for that, and they're fine.
Yeah. Should have asked him if I can use F string, but yeah, I don't think we have yet.
I swear I remember seeing it on one
I
of your
know.
slides.
I
Remember
know.
the colon like .02?
I'm
F?
looking for it right now. Maybe it's in the expressions one.
Yeah, whatever like string format. I think it was with. Was it with the exponents?
I'm God. I think it was the day when we were going over modulus.
Yeah.
That might have been it.
Modulus. Oh, modulus.
Fucking hate modulus.
I love modulus. It keeps me within the bounds of an array. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing it not ugly.
Constants.
Yeah, manually iterating. Gotta love it.
You know, maybe it's in one of the coding example things. Maybe it's one of those.
Did you know that Python stops iteration through exceptions? Isn't that lovely? Um. How do I want to do this? I think I'll do it yeah. I'll do it not
right
pretty.
here. Right here. Boom.
Yeah.
F string. There.
Wow.
So I'm gonna use it because if they're like, oh, you know how to use that, I'll be like, oh, no.
Yeah, you go, man.
Wait a minute, muchacho. Is not the home with the black balls. What the hell are you talking about?
And then I need standard air is subprocess pipe.
Need standard air.
Oh my god, you're
Subprocess.
miserable. You're miserable. Can't go like 2 seconds without fucking. Why isn't this working? Oh, there's no comma, so it's freaking out. Okay.
That's a good year.
Yeah, classic Goodyear. Oh yeah, the thing I'm supposed to do. How'd that go away? While p dot poll is not or is none. Read like I guess I could do read line. Yeah, let's do read. If air if alright, I cleared that. So what air 403 and air wait, I want to check my clipboard, but I don't know what's on it. Okay. That's fine. If that's in there, then to do wait. Actually, really, I'd kill that. Kill it.
How'd you kill it?
'Cause it's bad. I'll terminate. No, I'll kill it. No, I'll terminate it. I can't decide. I'll terminate it. Yeah, hashtag, searching killing children, coding moment.
Whoa, you can't talk about that on stream.
No, like child processes.
You're getting real close. You're getting really close to something here. And for a second there, my head spiked up. So I thought you were talking about something.
Yeah, killing child processes. Have fun finding that in my search history, feds. What do I have to do? Time.sleep.
Yeah, you don't know what you have to do.
10. Just sleep for. Oh no, 10 times like 60, so like 600. Yeah.
I mean, I don't even need G. And I walk out like a G. Fuck you.
Where's Tom?
This should work now.
Yeah, you'd think that too. That's the thing.
Ooh, and it works. Ooh, and I bet that's embarrassing. You were denying me, and now I'm right and you're wrong.
No, I was just saying that you
on
would.
stream too.
I was
You should
saying.
clip that. Somebody clip that.
I was saying you would think that would work, and I was right because you did think it worked, and then it did. I actually didn't say anything. Be careful? What do you mean be careful? I'm totally fine. But yeah. Okay. So we'll just sleep for actually let's just try 1 minute. Let's see that. Oh yeah, it has to yield. Did you know that generators have to yield?
Did you know that generators have to yield?
doing something. Um, I think it just downloaded the first one.
Yeah, you would say that.
Why did it do that? Ugh.
Sorry, I'll stop you.
Oh, because it has to. Okay. Wait, did it do all of them? I don't believe it. Got all the info, but oh, it got all the info and only downloaded one song. Okay. Uh, hmm. Time is it? 4.
406.
Yeah. And that's just cause I'm not actually, or
When's your
no.
class, right? Your class is at 6?
Yeah. Hmm. Emotes do I have? Do I have Rafflecopter on here?
Helicopter.
Did I not add Rafflecopter to my channel? Oh, I did. There's Rafflecopter. I love you, Rafflecopter. Song download queue. Oh, song download queue is never added to. Over here. So then, what did that? I don't know. Everything sucks. I don't know a single thing. Something like that. And then I'll need that. Right. Yeah. Weird that I put that in its own variable. Okay, let's try this again. Actually, I kind of want to... It has to be a string? Why? Ugh. Whatever. You know what? That doesn't need to happen. Clear. Let's 2. That's 3. And now it's... I guess that was 4. But now it's waiting. How many are there? I think that was included in the standard error. Now I can't see it. That was like 100 and something. Here, can I format? How many per 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then how many lines is this? Oh, I can just do line 2, line 943. $142. 157? Yeah. Okay. Well, I guess while that's going, that should work. I don't really know if it will.
Confident young Padawan.
Yeah, but it's a test. You gotta see. I can't just be like, oh yeah, it works now. Yeah, let me open Real and File Explorer. Open with? Hello, where are you? Alright. Come on. Can I just do VLC from here? No, I can't. Okay, yeah, those all are fine. Yeah, I could do some Lego Batman while that downloads.
What's that gonna take to download?
Well, it's 157 videos. Each one doesn't individually take that long, but because there's so
what's
many.
This for? Why are you downloading all those videos?
So for the song queue, you know, the normal A track is whatever people like request. So
Yeah.
they'll give like YouTube video links and I'll just download the audio for it and play it. But while there's nothing in the queue, I also want the option of having a bunch of songs to play. And that's the B track.
All the videos.
Yeah, before it would download them as needed.
Oh, they're done.
But
I think they are.
no, they're not. It'll hang for a while because it gets a 403 because it's doing too many, and YouTube's like, wait, you gotta stop for a minute. And so I had to do something to handle that, but I did, and now it's working. Yeah, that'll get all full and stuff.
Can you make it so that way I can increase the hype? Or what's your hype meter on your stream again? Was it
it's
hype or what was it?
it's vibe.
Vibe. Can I crank it up? Can I just like shoot it to 100?
I mean, if you spam +2s.
No. Or like do
That's
it by
the
like
point.
do it like 10.
Why 10? That's too much.
Do like 100.
It's too much.
I think it'd be just funny.
I mean, I have commands that'll just set it to whatever, but
This guy and his commands. All right, now we're gonna figure out how to submit this thing.
The submit command. Ugh.
I know that, but submitting multiple files.
Oh yeah, how
I'm
much
sure
is
if
this?
I just do homework one.
How much is that using? Not too much. That's fine. Yeah, let's look at the pretty
I swear to go over more.
yeah, look at all those. Look at all those. What are those? Yeah, threads, electrical processors. Yeah. Gotta love it.
I think you do just do it one at a time. That fucking blows.
Oh yeah, you totally do.
It's so annoying.
Just up arrow and then change the file.
I wish you could just do like homework one and then it just takes everything in that folder. Just
Or you could do a bash for loop.
you need to get like a stock sound effect like button. Like you know those buttons that are like you press it and it's like the fart one and it'll fart, or you get like the.
I have sounds.
No. Like you know the buttons in real life. It'll be like
Yeah,
the note
you know the
button.
buttons in real life.
Yeah, you know the buttons in real life, like the note button. You should get one of those, but have it be like the same laugh track every single time.
I do need a laugh track. What do I have the angry pumpkin.
I'm the angry pumpkin.
Oh no! It is
no,
the
it's
dive
the
rocket
dive rocket
launcher!
launcher.
Take action regarding that individual!
Relax, I'll handle it.
I am the angry pumpkin.
Yeah, that's great.
Once you're done, you'll save by pressing Control X and Control S, and then Control S, and then Control X and Control C.
Actually, this isn't gonna take
that
too
fucking
long.
blows. I hate
Wait, how
Emacs.
many?
I hate exiting Emac.
Oh, don't use Emacs.
Yeah, I'm not. I tried it once and I'm like, oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
Exiting is just like a fucking hassle.
I mean, some people like it because you can do a whole bunch of shit in it, but
I don't like how.
like some people live in it.
Uh,
That's just what they use.
yeah, I don't
for
like
everything.
how bland it is.
I
That's what I
don't.
don't like, and I don't like the colors. Things.
If I want a text editor, I'll use a text editor. I don't need Emacs.
Yeah.
How many is this?
Damn, I really do just have to submit everything one.
Does it not tell me how many I've selected? Or
Favorite things. What was next? Madlib.
You. Oh wait, it should tell me which one it's on. Right?
Favorite things.
Or no, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it doesn't tell me what of what because I'm not downloading a whole playlist anymore. I'm doing the individual elements of the playlist. That's fine. Okay. I do kind of want to do some more Lego Batman.
Oh, whoops.
I'll just edit the category. I'm not changing the. Yeah, it's great. Can I go? Thank you.
Velocity.
I got a bit more progress. I think I have all the characters I need for 100%ing most of the levels. Cause I got Penguin and he has his like bombs and sometimes you need his little penguins to go through the igloos. And I got Aquaman, so I should be able to clean up any goop. Yeah. For some reason, somehow I missed 3 on this. I'll play it again later. But I did that one. This one took me so many tries because like my game would like keep crashing, and or like I'd have to do something or like I don't know. But I finally 100%ed it. Where's number 5? Isn't that Ace?
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay.
It's another crazy night in Gotham.
And now that I have Aquaman, I can just clean up all the goop.
Oh, I'm all submitted.
Nice.
When you submit things in the jail, that's it. You do. You don't have to.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
it submits, and then the TAs go in and grade it later.
Swag. Oh, I forgot I had my lab today at like 8.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be on math, I guess. If they make me do some bullshit again with math, I'm gonna be annoyed.
It's not that bad. You
It's
just
not bad. It's just like
it's just a different way of reading instructions.
Yeah, I just want to like do more coding, I guess. He's probably gonna give us like 2 questions again. Is someone not doing it on their stupid lab thing? I can do it on my laptop. So I'm gonna do it.
Bigger screen, and
Yeah, but I have to re-sign in on everything,
yeah.
and that's kind of annoying.
Boom. There's more. Gasp. The door opened so much it blew up. I wish they'd put those in houses. If you open this door up too much, it'll just explode. Maybe don't watch reels with your audio. I don't want anything unsightly being said too loud.
Yeah, because the next reel was literally this.
Yeah.
That probably would have been some crazy audio.
Thanks for that.
New PC collapses. You excited for the new Batman? Like a Batman game?
Yeah. Looks like it'll actually be mostly about Batman this time. Can't say the same for the third game.
Did you watch the trailer?
Yeah.
It's a lot more than Batman, though.
No, but like the third game, it was literally like in space. It
Oh,
was more.
yeah.
It was more about
No,
Green Lantern and
I
shit.
hated the third game.
Yeah.
I thought the second game was the best.
Yeah. Second game is just the best Lego game.
Yeah.
And-
Whoa. Nothing beats Lego Indiana Jones.
No, that's cap.
Lego Indiana Jones is like the GOAT, dude.
It was like what? That was the first one.
Oh, somebody asked how are you in your chat.
Oh.
See, you're never paying attention to your chat.
Oh my god. Hello. how do you say your name?
I'll decode it.
Mary Wadey? Yeah, Mary Wadey. Sure.
So you failed English.
Did not fail English. If anything, you failed English.
Yeah, I know. English is my first language. You know this.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, Mary Wadey. Yeah, I'm doing all right. I was coding stuff, but now I just kind of have to wait for it to do its thing. So in the meantime, I'm Lego Batmaning it.
It's probably done.
No, it's probably not done. That's
how many
that's
was
the
it
crazy
again?
157.
How long is each video?
It's not about that. The thing that takes longer is having to wait for the 403 status to clear.
Oh.
And that's about like a minute.
I was about to say, downloading YouTube videos normally is like very quick.
Who do I need for this? I think you. Actually, what am I doing? Just fly. I love to, yeah, I like this game. It's very nice. I'm just trying to like 100% it. It's like, you know, get all the mini kits and everything. Yeah, it's just a very, very nice little game.
Did you see this? Dracula's Castle manifests in New Jersey.
Wow, man, everything's been happening in the past few days.
That's fucking crazy.
You know Dracula's castle just manifested in New Jersey? Yeah, figures only Batman and Robin can do that. World's greatest detective, by the way. Wow. They just showed up. Where's this guy? There he is. Yes, I know the penguin has bombs. That's why I picked him. There we go. Wow, I had one mini kit for this level. That's insane. Usually play Minecraft, story mode games.
Breaking Bad star Raymond Cruz was arrested for spraying water on
Oh
a
yeah,
child.
I saw that.
Spraying a child with a hose. I met him too.
Story mode games? Yeah. What kind of what games? Story mode games? Like
The only good one, Minecraft story mode.
true.
People
I mean, there's
hated-
also The Walking Dead Telltale.
Yeah, that one's good.
That one's good.
People hated on Minecraft story mode, and then as soon as it got like discontinued or like taken down or whatever, people were like, "Oh, it's so good."
Yeah.
The switch up was crazy. And
That's
then
how
there's,
it
there's
goes.
casting of Frank Stone.
Red Dead Redemption 2. Dead by Daylight.
Yeah,
Nice. And The Last of Us. Yeah.
yeah. Casting
Solid lineup.
Casting of Frank Stone was. It shouldn't have been $40. I think it was definitely like a $20 game.
Man, Silksong came out. Now everyone's saying shit's $20.
Well, it was it was just too much.
Stop. Superman, heal me.
Keep running into it.
Yeah, because it's fine. Because I can just go to Superman and I'm like immediately healed.
Oh yeah, Superman doesn't take damage, right?
Well, he doesn't take damage and he also regens on his own. It's great.
Yeah.
And he flies, and he has cold breath, and he has laser vision.
Yep.
You stream daily. It's kind of just when I don't have classes. So usually Tuesdays, Thursdays, and then maybe Fridays and the weekend but I try to usually get my homework done first. What am I doing? Oh. I need you.
Yeah, I gotta stream more.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I haven't streamed in a while. That's because I'm always either working on Yell Rabbit or in class or homework.
Discord? Which one is that? Where's my phone? Whatever. Whatever.
Hey, you like his profile picture?
Who?
Somebody said that you like your profile picture that I drew,
Oh
that
yeah,
I doodled,
that you doodled.
and you took.
You said I could have
Copyright
it.
coming soon,
Ugh.
buddy.
Ugh, this guy. I'll lawyer up, pal. You best
I don't even
believe.
remember drawing it. I think
Yeah,
that's the
yeah, you
funny
don't even
part.
remember drawing it.
I would Google image search.
I don't need to.
Because I was like, oh, maybe this is something I found on Twitter, and I can't.
Yeah, it
find
doesn't come up anywhere. Oh, original.
Yeah, so I must have drawn that when I was very bored.
I mean, I'd believe it. What is that? Okay. Aquaman, I need you. Green Puddle. Now I need Luthor.
South Park pulls episode mocking Charlie Kirk from cable. Yeah, I was gonna like it. Oh yeah, dude. Do you wanna know what happened?
What?
Exactly 10 years ago.
What happened?
Super Mario Maker came out
Wow.
on September 11th, 2015.
Heard it here, folks. No, I don't need any art, but thanks for offering.
Who can climb the cables? Or the bullshit? Cyborg.
Ugh. Yeah, I do a bit of editing.
Oh, he walks on metal.
Just a bit. Oh yeah, because he's a cyborg. Ugh. Oh, I need Joker. I need you, Joker. Bye, man. Three of 5 goops.
There's your goons.
No, goops. The goops up there?
Oh, I thought you were talking about the goons.
No, I wasn't talking about the goons. Did I miss any awesome stuff? How many mini kits do I have? 3? Okay, so I've gotten 2 more. Somehow I got through this whole level and only got 1 mini kit when I first did it. Kinda nuts. Usually I get at least like 3. They're not that hidden in this game. Oh my god, I hate you. I hate you. Yeah, that's what you get. What? I totally... Okay, and then I need you, you. What time is it?
It is 4:36.
Alright, probably only like 30 more minutes. Because I do want to eat. I haven't eaten anything today.
I was just about to go get food.
You got 30 more minutes? You think you can wait?
Why do you have to wait 30 minutes? Downloads?
Yeah, downloads, and I just want to stream longer.
Fair.
I don't need you. These stupid boxes. I don't know how many fucking times I died trying to jump on them. Because they just show up in like such a dumb way. I guess I was so distracted by the boxes when I first played this that I completely missed this. And that's why I only had one. What am I looking for?
The Bomb Goons.
There we go. Ugh. Come on.
Dude.
Um,
Invisible barrier.
Oh, is it? Genius!
That way you don't fall over the railing.
That's so stupid.
It's so genius.
Ugh. Yeah, Lex Luthor, I sentence you to eternal falling. That's what you get for killing me with in the purple goop area. 4 of 5 goops. How much do you think these guys get paid? Like, cause they gotta like put on the costume and stuff.
I don't think they get paid. It's more of they get protection from like. I think of it like a gang.
I guess it is kind of like that. There's just kind of like a supply of goons, and they kind of choose
Their payment is just being
which crazy
protected by
guy
the
they
Joker.
follow.
Yeah.
I think the Penguin is only the really normal, or the biggest normal one.
What do you mean?
'Cause he's like a normal like mob boss.
Two-Face.
Two-Face is, I'd put him in the category of crazies.
Dude, good here. Simple platforming.
Fuck simple platforming. I'm Superman. Oh, okay. I was gonna say I ain't quite I ain't bring him, but
You gotta go over there with.
yeah, I
with
know.
Joker. Yeah.
Believe it or not, I've actually beat this level before.
Oh, then you should have known.
Yeah, I should have known. That's the fucked up part. That's the part they don't tell you. You think they would have had to change the game's rating if they had white goop?
Probably not.
I think they would. Oh yeah, I have to do all this shit to make water. It's crazy. You think people do this in chemistry classes? Goop and slop? Yeah, that's how we get our water here in Gotham City. Combine all the goops. And it's water! That's crazy. Like it's not like a chemical. Like it's water. Get over here. There we go. Ow. Ow. Let me just deal with that. There we go. Yeah, I'll just do Aquaman. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I opened it. I don't think that guy knows how to drive a forklift safely. I'm gonna have to kill him. Yeah, that's what you get. You could have killed people, man.
So glad now my volume up.
Oh my god.
It's that guy. Did you know that Japan has something? This is cool. Or what are always those skate videos?
What is it? In Japan, the term for this is stroking my shitu.
Yeah, and then it's like, this guy made one for like 7-Eleven.
Oh wow.
It's like they have one at 7-Eleven and it has real foods. Did you know that? They don't have this down in the West. Subscribe for more Japan tips. And it's like, dude. I think that the place Japan is the most like true thing ever.
My favorite thing from these games probably has to be like the design for the levers. Like it's just such a cool fucking design.
But it's because they got Lego guys to do that.
I know, but like this is something I would look at and be like, man, I wish I had the parts to like actually build this. Cause like you can just see what it's made out of, and it's so cool.
Yeah. What about the pipes to your left? What are those made out of?
They're made out of vectors and and textures.
I wish there was a Lego game that was like all Lego. I don't think the Lego movie is that. I know it's very close, but I think they have other stuff.
This makes me want to beat up pipes as Superman.
Why don't you just fly up there?
I will.
Why can't you?
I'm busy.
Oh.
And this gets me gold. And silver. But I have to Batman it. That's not close enough.
That was him.
No, that was custom character A.
Who the hell is a custom character?
Well, you see, it's custom A. Yeah.
That's just Batman.
No, it's the default for the custom character.
Well, he has a batarang.
Yeah, he basically works as Batman, but it's not Batman. It's custom A. You wouldn't know, you haven't played this game as much. Okay. Up I go. Or is there like a... I guess not. Yeah, and Man-Bat can actually fly in this game. He doesn't just glide.
Oh wow. That purple stud.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
What?
Can I... There we go. Oh, and then I can't jump up. Genius. What? Oh. If you just tap it. That's interesting. I think Lex Luthor's still eternally falling, and that brings joy to my heart. Not specifically because he's Lex Luthor, just because he's player 2. Yeah, figures. I can bring him over. Where is he? Yeah. Oh, I have to do this. Yeah. I guess, oh, I would have had to do that. Okay. Can you get over? Yeah, figures you could get over. Come on, there we go. Gotta check all the corners. Oh, what? I skipped it. I skipped having to pick it up.
Skipped what?
Normally, you have to go as Batman or Robin, you have to pick up the last goop, but I broke open a door, and then I went in the top corner of it, and it just skipped to the cutscene.
Oh yeah, that's a speedrun hack. I knew about that.
Yeah, you would. I very vividly remember, what, the next cutscene. Like, that's the one I remember the most from this game. Because, was it Batman and Robin, they, like, jump from the box, and then Superman just swoops down, and he catches them. And then Batman's all grumpy. Because he hates asking for help. And that's the moral of this story. You know, the Lego Batman movie actually kind of did that better, though, because they didn't have to use the Justice League. They just had to use, like, everything else Lego. Didn't they have Jaws in that movie, right? Jaws and, like, a bunch of other villains? Lego Batman movie.
They had like
Yeah, the Ios whatever it's
Eye of
called.
Sauron.
Yeah.
the Sauron, however you say it. Yeah, they had a bunch of villains. They had
Yeah, you die, Aquaman.
I remember they had Gremlins, I think.
Hold on. I have to get on my silver studs. I should have gotten that stud magnet cube. Red cube. Oh yeah, and Superman can just walk through fire. It's great. Totally fair game. And he builds really fast. That's another cool detail. At least lightning, like the electricity, still affects him. Because if it didn't, I think that'd be a little silly. And like halfway through the game, they make it so like, oh yeah, Superman can't fly anymore. But then he can still do like everything else. I think if they also gave him red hearts during those, I think that would have been nice. Oh, I'm in goop. There we go. Oh, Robin. Acrobat suit. Actually, kind of curious if I can, because I know Catwoman can do the acrobat stuff, but I don't know if she can. It doesn't look like she can like get the initial pull there, so I do need Robin, which is a little annoying. Ooh. That's fine. Ow. Guess that's just indestructible. Hmm. Come on. Can you? Thank you. I just not do it all the way? Or does it have to be held? I ain't do it all the way. Okay. I think I just have to go up and I might get another checkpoint. And then after that, I'll check in on my stuff. No. Okay. Really? Hmm. Boom. Okay, I gotta go a bit further. Ooh, Green Lantern. Oh, it's clogged. Okay. This... I love the pathing for these guys. They do it so well. Oh my god. Whatever. Oh my. Why am I sliding off? There we go. Yeah. I'm gonna try and go over to the beginning and see if it'll save. Yeah. Okay. Actually, would have been better to save and continue than quit to Windows. And I'll check on. Oh boy. Is it still going? Looks like it is. 65. Maybe a minute's too short. Or maybe it's just taking a while. I don't know. But yeah, I'll leave that run. I think I'm just gonna call it here. Anything else I want it to do? No. Okay. I'm gonna get food. Yeah. Bye bye.